Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are down in Cambridge, Ohio, and I'm unironically saying the beautiful part of Ohio. It is stunning. I want you to just take a look at this beautiful, beautiful scenery. You're starting to get into strip mining land down here, and the hills and everything are just glorious. It is beautiful this morning. It's cold, but it's beautiful. So anyway, I am down here per a request of one of the subscribers, one of you guys. So Merrick Miller contacted me through the YouTube channel and said, hey, we'd love for you to come down and spend some time with us running this beast right here. It's a Leihberr. I'm out here to play with these guys, and I am super grateful they invited me. They have been super generous hosts, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So with that being said, I'm going to set up the cameras in the cab. We'll catch you in the machine. Guys, we're belted in for the first time in a Leihberr. I really don't know what to expect here. Here we go. For the first time ever. So they do have an issue going on with the valve on this for the blade angle. And so I cannot angle my blade. I can only do straight pushes. So that will be interesting to kind of work with through the day here. We are back, and I'm working on topsoiling all of the area that we dressed up this morning with the shale, and I'm also trying to blend this ridge. So I'm taking the topsoil off of the ridge, shoving it up to the top, because I think I've got plenty of topsoil out here that I can kind of blend this, and we won't short the homeowner on topsoil. Feel free to shoot me an email at thatdiggerdude@gmail.com if you'd like to have me out, and we can absolutely arrange something. That's how I've worked with Carson. That's how I've worked with Taylor. That's how Merrick and I set this up. Is just a handful of emails back and forth to coordinate, and as you can see, I do legitimately work. I come out and it's like I told Merrick this morning, I do not expect to be princess babied, and you know, if he needs me in the hole laying pipe, I'll get in the hole and lay pipe. But I do genuinely love working with new contractors and coming out and kind of telling your story. So, and I love a variety of work. That's the other cool thing too. If you got a unique line of work that you're in, I'd love to come out, learn what you do, and then kind of showcase that for you. All right, guys, I think I've recorded a long enough segment here. I'm going to go ahead and shut the cameras down, and I'll catch you guys here in a little bit. All right, everybody, in today, and it turned out to be an absolutely gorgeous day here. So, like I said, we're in the second week of November. We have, I think, like a wintry mix scheduled for next week in Michigan. Yet it turned out to be like 60 something degrees here. Tomorrow's, I think, supposed to be about 70. Beautiful, beautiful. But we've been busy, so I'm going to spin you guys around. So this morning, as you may recall, this was a giant disaster here along the driveway, and we've got this all dialed in and topsoiled. And as I said earlier when I was in the dozer, we don't need to final grade this as far as finish grading and really you know, back dragging all of the tracks out. I'll probably come tidy this ridge up just a little bit just to knock that down a hair. But, you know, this is what it's going to be because they're going to take care of it themselves. So I'm going to go get you guys some drone footage. We're going to call it for tonight. And tomorrow we're going to finish dialing this in. We'll get the septic finished out. And I think that puts us on a second job on Friday. So, and from what I understand, it's probably going to be a residential grade job. So who knows what the week will hold. So you guys have yourselves a lovely evening. Go enjoy the drone footage and we'll catch you tomorrow.